How to find someone on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Simply to find username of the person, tell the another person you want to send friend request to click on their name at the bottom left and they'll be able to search username. And from your account to add them as a friend, click on add friend and then type in their username. Click on send friend request and friend request will be sent. If this does not work, simply open Discord, click on settings located at bottom left corner of your screen. And then in here, on left side, scroll down to advanced. Simply click on advanced. In advanced, make sure your developer mode is turned on. After your developer mode is turned on, you'll be able to find your ID. Simply send message to anyone. After that, right click on your profile and then click on copy user ID. After you have copied user ID to send friend request from user ID, simply open new tab and type in discord.id. In here, paste the ID and click on lookup. After that, you will be able to find their username and their details. From here also, you can simply copy their username and then send them friend request. This is how to find someone on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.